If you watch in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how we're using this one easy Instagram story template to get new clients for gyms and bootcamps every single week. If you don't know me, my name is Justin Devonshire and I've grown multiple fitness studios and I'm helping gym owners all over the world quickly scale to 6- and 7-figure businesses using strategies that work today because I'm still in the trenches growing gyms just like you. And this strategy is one of the best ways we use Instagram to get new clients every week without paid ads. In fact, I've used this simple, fast tactic for years to get new inbound leads messaging me, to do this with no adverts whatsoever. And the best part is it only takes about 10 seconds a day. And this is the most powerful organic content strategy you're ever going to learn. So this strategy is what I call the Instagram CTA story template. And the CTA stands for call to action. This is a direct offer post that you need to put up once per day. The first thing you do in your day is you put up this story on Instagram. It will run for 24 hours. And therefore, everyone else who comes to your Instagram page, if you are running ads, if you're doing other content marketing, or even your existing followers, the first thing they look at usually is going to be your stories. So they're going to see this in your story and they're going to get a better understanding of what you do. And using the tips I'm about to give you, you're going to get a much higher response rate. So they DM you, they want info, they want to find out about your programs, and then you can follow a simple DM chat script framework that we have to get them booked in. And the gyms that are doing this right now are getting about 3 to 5 clients a week just by doing this one simple strategy. So let me break down how this works so you can model it. And by the way, if you want the editable Canva templates, so you can quickly insert your own videos and your own text and images, drop a comment below and I'll shoot it over to you completely free. All right, so I've just come over to the Canva template right here to break this down. Let's have a look at this and quickly show you how this works. So the first thing we have up here is the headline. We're looking for 3 more ladies in your area who want to lose 4 to 6 kilos in 6 weeks. And then down here we have DM us yes to get that info. So let's break this down of why this works. The first thing we have at the top here is limited spots to give scarcity. So make sure you include a number and we say we're looking for 3 more ladies. That's scarcity, it gives urgency, and it increases the likelihood that the reader is going to take action. In fact, all these little things we do all increase the odds that someone is going to take action. And by not including these little things, you're going to be getting a low response rate. The next thing we have then is we call out the specific person. That's going to grab more attention. So don't just say 3 more people, say 3 more ladies or 3 more men over 40 or 3 more busy mums or 3 more basketball athletes, right? The more specific you can get this, the more response you're going to get because it's more perceived value. The next thing we have then is specific town or area. This again is going to add more value and give more relevance. So now you can say, for example, we're looking for 3 more busy mums in this town. Okay, so people have what's called an RAS, reticular activating system. It's the part of the brain that is subconsciously scanning for information that is relevant to it. And this is what we have as like a defense mechanism. So when people are scrolling on social media, they're in a trance. But when something relevant to them, like the type of person they are, or a result they want, or the town they live in pops up, their subconscious grabs hold of that and makes them pay more attention. So this is actually like a neurological trick that you can use to get more people paying attention to your posts. The next thing we have then is to offer the specific result. So most fit pros are too generic. They'll say things like, DM me if you want to get fit or be in shape, right? That's not specific enough. Because we're talking to a specific person, that now allows us to give a very specific result. So we could say, we're going to help you lose 4 to 6 kilos or drop a dress size. And the final thing then to add more relevance and more value is going to be a specific time frame. Don't be afraid to add a time frame in. And then finally, where the name comes from, the call to action, the CTA. You need a specific call to action to get more people to respond. And studies have actually shown this, that if you give a specific, clear instruction telling the person exactly what you want them to do, you will get a better response. So get really specific, as if you're talking to an 8-year-old. And like I said, guys, this here is the editable Canva version. If you want this, just comment below. So you can see that you can quickly interchange the photos or the text, change this out. It'll work with videos as well. You know, you could always play a quick video clip of your clients all together after a workout, high-fiving, or you could even do a video clip of a workout going on. You want to change these up, make several designs, so you have one for every single day, but you also want to keep the main elements that make it work, which is the call to action headline and the call to action instruction. So just drop a comment below and I will send you for free the editable Canva templates, and you can then quickly implement this today and start getting clients.